Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to do a DIY over camera setup. So that way, if you're drawing, knitting, any type of thing you're doing with your hands that you want to film, this is how to do it. Today, I'm so excited because I'm actually at my dad's house inside my dad's wife's art studio where she draws wildlife with colored pencils. She is so talented, amazing. I have some of her products and love it. But today I'm so excited too because we're gonna demonstrate how not only how she films herself drawing, but also a couple other ways I'm gonna show you to give you ideas on how you can film yourself. So let me introduce you to Leah, the amazing artist.
I'm so excited.
Me too. Yay, let's get going, guys. Step number 1 is to set up your workspace. Make sure that you have everything ready to go that'll be filmed with your overhead camera setup. In this case, it's Leah's artwork and supplies. And of course, make sure that whatever will be filmed is in a nice, clean space that's decluttered. Alrighty, step number 2 is lighting. Okay, I just love the light that Leah is using. It's an LED desk lamp that's dimmable and it produces nice, soft lighting. You guys know I just love soft lighting. Plus, it's budget friendly at only $40 US at the time of this recording. You can get the link to this light and all of the other gear that I'm talking about in this video in the description below. Okay, so go ahead and place your light in a position so that it lights your hands and, in this case, artwork nicely. Okay, step number 3 is to mount your phone camera. I'm going to show you 2 different ways to do this. The first way is by using a phone stand like this. It's foldable so you can adjust the angle, plus it only costs $11 US right now. Go ahead and adjust the phone stand so that it's at the right angle of where you want to record. And because your phone is on your desk in front of you, you'll be able to easily see what you're actually filming. Plus, it looks like it's from an overhead camera setup, which is pretty cool. And last, step 4 is to push record. Yes! Now that everything is set up, you are ready to film your video. Okay, so what if you want to have a higher up angle that's above your head and you can't see what exactly you're filming? Well, I love this app. It's called Reflector 3, and basically it lets you use your laptop as a monitor with your phone as your camera. So all you want to do is download the app. They have a free 7-day trial, or it's $18 to buy it. And I love it because it works on iPhone or an Android, a Mac or PC. So it's so great. To use Reflector, you want to get both of your devices ready. In this case, we're using my laptop and my phone as a camera. The laptop will be the monitor. Go ahead and launch Reflector on your laptop. Then go to your phone and click on Screen Mirroring. From there, select your laptop. In this case, it's Patricia's MacBook Air. And then Reflector will then give you a 4-digit passcode that you'll see on your laptop. In this case, it's 4368. Go ahead and type that in your phone. And in a few seconds, it'll then launch Reflector. So go to your phone, open up your camera, turn it to video, and there you go. If you rotate your phone so it's a landscape, it'll automatically do that, at least it should. And if you want to change any settings, just move your mouse on your desk, on your laptop down here, click on that wheel, and from there you can change any of the settings to whatever you want to do. Just click the settings icon again to make that disappear. And don't forget to push record on your phone so that you can start recording what you're doing. When you're all done, go ahead and press the X right there and you're good to go. Next, you can use a budget-friendly gooseneck to mount your phone on for your overhead camera setup. Simply attach it to your desk place your phone in the mount and adjust the gooseneck mount so that it's angled above your hands and artwork that you want to film. And of course, make sure to look at your monitor thanks to the Reflector app to see what you're filming. I love this too because it's a totally budget-friendly way to have an overhead camera set up. There you go, a few different ways on how you can film yourself drawing, painting, knitting, basically anything you do with your hands that's art or a craft, anything like that. So in the meantime, go ahead and follow Leah on Instagram at CordyDraws. And if you want to learn how to film yourself professionally on a phone, go ahead and get my free training video and guide at the link below. Alrighty, if you liked this video, I would love it if you gave it that thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And let me know what kind of artist you are in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Alrighty, have a good day, guys.